Welcome to the wrist party, where carpal bones are invited, but they have to come with articulation with someone and not alone. सबसे पहले आते हैं मिस्टर रेडियस with their friends स्कैफोइड एंड लूनेट। फिर आते हैं ट्राइक्वेट्रल अपने टेडी बियर पीसीफॉर्म के साथ, which sits upon him like a sesamoid bone. Now it's time for the real party starters. Trapezium articulate with the first metacarpal, trapezoid shake hand with second metacarpal और कैपिटेट को मिलता है थर्ड मेटाकार्पल का साथ। हेमेट आर्टिकुलेट करता है विद फोर्थ एज वेल एज फिफ्थ मेटाकार्पल। Let's learn about carpal articulation. Inferior surface of radius bone articulate with the scaphoid as well as lunate bone. Scaphoid bone along with the radius also articulate with lunate from its medial side and with trapezium, trapezoid and capitate from its dorsal side. Lunate articulate with scaphoid on lateral side and with triquetrium on medial side. It also saw articulation with radius, capitate and hamate. Triquetral saw articulation with lunate, pisiform and hamate. It also articulate with the articular disc of inferior radioulnar joint. Pisiform only articulate with the triquetral, which sits upon it like a sesamoid bone. Now comes to the distal row. Trapezium articulate with scaphoid, trapezoid and as well as first and second metacarpal. Trapezoids show articulation with second metacarpal as well as with trapezium, capitate and scaphoid. Capitate is the largest carpal bone. It show articulation with scaphoid, lunate, hamate, third and fourth metacarpal as well as with trapezoid. Hamate show articulation with lunate, triquetrium, capitate and with fourth and fifth metacarpal.